Okay, so let's learn more about the bit and the bytes. So all of data stored and transmitted by digital device is called as bits. And terminology related to bits and bytes is extensively used to describe the storage capacity and network access speed. So the word bit, an abbreviation for binary digit, can be further abbreviated as lowercase b. And the group of 8 bits is called a byte and is usually abbreviated as an uppercase b. Okay? So, pag lower, word, it's, yan, word bit yan. Pag group of 8, it's uppercase. Word. When reading about digital devices, you'll frequently encounter references such as 90 kilobits per second, 1.44 megabytes, 2.8 gigahertz, and 2 terabytes. So, kilo, mega, giga, tera are similar terms are used to quantify the digital data. So, bit is just one binary bit, byte is 8 bits, kilobit is 1024 or 2 raised to 10 bits. Kilobyte, 1024 or 2 10 raised to 10 bytes. Okay, so nakikita nyo na yung mga differences. So, nandiyan na yung megabit, megabyte, gigabit, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte, exabyte. So, just please analyze this. And another clue is letter K. And use of 4 bits for database such as internet connection speeds and movie download speeds. Diba, tinitingnan natin yung kung ilang kilobytes, kung gaano ba, 1 gig ba yan, sobrang malaki ba ang capacity, storage niyan, or so usually makikita natin yan sa mga properties, diba? Okay, use bytes for file sizes and storage capacity. So, 104 kilobyte and is often used when referring to size or of small computer files. And 56 kbps, kilobit or KB or kbit, can be used for slow data rates such as 56 kbps, kilobits per second, dial-up connection. So, diba, pag tinitingnan natin yung mga data, at kung Mbps kapag internet, diba, mga sa ito matataas to. 50 Mbps, megabit or MB or Mbit is usually for faster data rates such as 50 Mbps or the megabits per second internet connection. Okay? Balik tayo. So, 33.2 MB megabyte is typically when referring to the size of files containing photos and videos. So, makikita ninyo, KB for usually small computer files, kbps dial-up connections, mbps internet connection. Then yung MB, it's usually for the photos and videos. Then gigabyte usually for network speeds. Gigabit pala yun. And gigabyte, it's usually common for the storage capacity. So, nakita nyo na yung mga differences niya. So, for the data compression, usually we use the zipping, the RAR, okay, yung to reduce file, okay, for the data compressions, this is to reduce file and transmission times digital data can be compressed. And data compression refers to any technique that encodes the data in file so that it contains fewer bits. Compression is commonly referred to as zipping dot. And compression techniques divided into two categories, which is the lossless and the lossy. Lossless compression, provides a way to compress data and reconstitute it into its original state. Uncompressed data stays exactly the same as the original data. While the lossy compression throws away some of the original data during the compression process. And uncompressed data is not exactly the same as the original. Okay, so software for compressing data is sometimes referred to the compression utility or a zip tool. And on laptops and desktop computers, the compression utility is accessed when the same screen used to manage files. So, actually, makikita lang din natin yan when you right-click, no? Makikita nyo din kung yung about compression. So, one, open file by selecting the icon. May mga icon tayo. Then, you can select one or more file, right-click, then select the compress options. So, yun usually, depende, ito kasi for the Mac, okay? But, we have other, yung sa Android, yung sa ibang Microsoft, no? So, letter M pala. Okay, ito naman for using an PC. Then, yan yung ginagawa natin to compress a file. So, this process of reconstituting files is called extracting or unzipping kung gusto naman natin ibalik sa original file niya. Compressed files may be .zip, .gz, .pkg, or .tar.gz. Okay, so this is for your output number. Actually, it's not output number 1. It's output number 2. Erase natin to. Sorry. It's your output number 2. Erase ko na lang. Okay, kasi yung output number 1 ninyo is iba naman. So, this is for your output, another output. Okay, so this is just an instructions. Get your short open band or yellow pad. At the upper of the paper, write this format, your surname, full name, and the black section, individual output, and then open this link. Itong binigay ko sa inyong link na to. As you can see, as you can see, no, there's a link, and you should open that link. And as there is 132 multiple choice questions with key to correction. So choose at least maximum of 50 questions related with conversions of the number systems. And answer at least the maximum 50 questions with given, required, and solution. For the solution, review the lessons on how to convert the number system and computer. So to verify your answer, check the correction. So this is just your part of your practice, and you should do this on handwritten. No, strictly no copying, please, to other, and scan your outputs, then send to our Google Classroom. Then please notify me if you already submitted your output. Okay, so just get this link. Okay, just get that link. So, sample, para makuha itong link na to. Yan. Punta tayo doon sa link na yun. Okay. So, yan po yung sample question. Then, you should convert it to yung kaninang natin. And may key to correction siya dito. So, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil meron naman siyang key to corrections. Ang kailangan nyo lang naman is just answer, just give the given, required, and solution. And paano siya i-convert. Okay, just for conversion. So, just go to our module to answer this question. Okay. So, let's go back. Okay, so that's it for your module number 2. Then just answer the 4 pics and 1 word and screenshot nyo. Then isend nyo doon sa attendance proof, part of the attendance proof. Then the output number, your individual output, no, yung deadline niya ay ilalagay ko na lang doon sa next ating idalagay ko na lang sa Google Classroom. So that's it Students, if any questions, please just text or chat me. And thank you so much for listening, and thank you so much for your cooperation. God bless you.